There is one bug in Figma that appears when you use a lot of components with auto layouts. So let's look at it. I will go to another file, Smart Banners for Google Ads. We will cover this file later, but right now I just want to show you this bug. Look at these banners. There are text bubbles on them, and as you see, they don't look good. And if I go here and see these banners, they are okay, but actually these banners on the right are duplicates of these banners on the left. So this is a bug. And as you see here, I've already fixed it, so it looks okay. And there is a very simple fix of this bug. If for some reason Figma breaks your components with auto layout, and it's obviously that there is some mistake over here, something is broken, you have to change these auto layouts, to change something there, to resize them. So Figma will recalculate everything, and everything will get to normal condition. The most simple way to do this is to change some component that is placed inside these bubbles, so everything will be changed. So I go to the settings where we have the texts that go to these bubbles, and I will add one space and then remove it. So Figma recalculates all those text bubbles, and if we go and look at them, they should be okay now after these changes. So I go back to the banners and see that text bubbles are okay now. So I have two versions with normal text bubbles, and this one is still broken. So I go back to the settings and I change a text for this variant. I add and remove space once again and go back and see what happened. So everything is okay now. So if you have such bug when you have a lot of components with auto layouts, they are visually broken, in this case use this tip to fix this bug and enjoy your files.